I bet you didn't know this is the first book in a series of top recommended reads by Warren Buffett. Imagine having the skills to find a winning stock, one that grows over years and pays off in dividends. That's exactly what Philip Fisher teaches in his classic book, Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits. Fisher is a legend in growth investing, and his strategies focus on understanding businesses from the inside out. Let's break down how this book can help you start making smart, profitable investments. Fisher's first big lesson is to look beyond the stock price. He says, don't just buy a stock, buy the business behind it. And what does that mean? Well, let's imagine you're thinking of investing in a coffee company. You wouldn't just check the stock price or a few financial ratios. Instead, you dig into how that coffee company operates. To start, Fisher recommends something called Scuttlebutt. It's a fancy term for asking questions and gathering insight. This might mean checking customer reviews, looking at employee satisfaction, reading the company's annual reports, or even going to one of their cafes and talking to baristas. The more you understand, the better you'll know if this company is really worth investing in. Lesson 2. Fisher puts a lot of emphasis on the quality of management. Great companies need great leadership. It's like a sports team. No matter how talented the players are, if the coach isn't good, the team won't succeed. So how can you find companies with quality management? Start by looking up interviews with the CEO and other leaders. For instance, consider Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla. His insights on innovation and future technology trends provide valuable information for investors. By analyzing his interviews, you can gauge the company's direction and potential for growth. This approach can be applied to other companies as well, helping you make informed investment decisions. Warren Buffett is known for paying close attention to the managers and companies he invests in. For example, Buffett has invested in Apple Inc., a company led by Tim Cook. Cook's leadership has been instrumental in driving Apple's innovation and maintaining its market dominance. Buffett's confidence in Cook's management is a testament to the importance of quality leadership in investment decisions. Before you go, we'd love to hear your thoughts. What investing strategies have worked for you? Leave a comment below and let's get a conversation started. Also, check out my other videos while you're here. Remember, investing is a journey and we're here to learn together. Until next time, happy investing.